Enabling a parental lock on YouTube TV helps you block mature content and control what your children can watch. YouTube TV uses Google's family group features and content restrictions to keep your account safe. Here's how to set it up. Start by opening the YouTube TV app or visiting tv.youtube.com on your computer. Tap your profile icon, then go to Settings. From here, select Family Settings or Family Sharing. If you haven't created a family group yet, set one up and add your child's account. Once your child's profile is added, YouTube TV automatically applies content filters based on their age. To customize restrictions, go back to Settings and select Filter Content or Restricted Viewing under their profile. Here, choose which ratings to allow: TVY and TVG for young kids, TVPG for older children, Block TV 14 and TVMA, mature content. You can also enable playback restrictions, which prevent kids from switching to unrestricted profiles without your permission. For added safety, manage YouTube watch history and pause it if needed to limit recommended content. After setting up parental locks, your child will only see age-appropriate shows, movies, and live content. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.